Utie oha extra punk no.
Needs FM.
Ona obenaye mache.
Yenua.
Na pomwe.
Nyame adumo na so e.
Erade adom me ho ye pa. Prof.
Yes sir.
Na mache.
Yes sir.
Mpacho wa pomwe.
Ye ho adaru ma pom de nke pa.
Na akade aka no. Prof, yes, you can the carama.
Opeto kan se be prof am.
You can say. You. Ana wo benaye. Ya hwen kwanhie. Enra ye hwen no heya. Heya. Na time kra keke. Eno ka ase isi ho sa na commercial kan di kokonu eno ko wi ase nipa hwe mo nkwanya asem to nra kwanhie ba kususi ewo bupe ehonum ntene nra we mienu nkwa 15 ena hwere wo nkwa ewo mu enkwanhie yi agi ensamba wo
yo mini ameda se mechia woni watiefo nyina na sa akwanhia ensami se na nua ben ekan dudo na ye himanero dudo na das records no edi adanse se ada se driver for na kasa eros anase agency sa e wo se hwe ma enioma so koyie e wo yakwan so no enso nnwuma no etosin kakra so musu nnwuma no tosin kakra is still the human face na one the transport ministry DVLA ehye omasi and two the police service in this case MTTD so and I'm say road safety and also share ayifo nyina ase ana omoso enwuma rules omu play mayenya decency kakra ewo yen akwan so no eso ni anase nso ni se no so atutoto osia na kise no so sign ebewie human errors ne human issues ya kamia yese Ghana for akwan papa no abeka se no mum na emoye because baby abekwa akohwe accident akasi esi nipa bebre ahwero mo kwanyina no wobekọ na ho na yakwan papa so etini ma bisa mo se ene akwan no papa na ya na ase enya ho no bi so be kire se da bi to de bi a america no mutu no because e bi akwan no segment bi na session bi nye nti wa wosi ni time ho sa nti yes okodu ba bi a e bi ho ya ada se no di shim ana se onam session na eso nye no affecting the bolt and not be near the identity no afi obebesi da ye no so a no communicate kakra ho na effect no obefi because or not me nu bi atu and I say muaye mre na nam baby bokwa enye na ahwe a wonfili dem we see the main road so apese afi straighten up na ho na ahwa na no so ebedadi but say no ebe wiese anase be wiese ka na nkasa esi kwan no so no ana osefata se obekwa no so ana in this case roadworthiness certificate ya tata cars hu really DVLA for omo checking the way assessor omo checking ana se ka na nam kwan no so no ose efata se obenam kwan no so na obi tibi traffic ka na akra want to be off alcohol na wasoma bia ne driver na se wasoma obi no akọ omo office no akwa ko renew on the roadworthiness certificate dia bread nti car nam kwan so ase ne tire na awe se ne lights na enye papa and the crowd jama be fashion both trucks akese ni other cars we be share mo I mean lights e bobo nim enko making so na twetwam all kinds of police barriers so it DVL for no adwuma one also mutumi making sure say drivers no again minimum nwe yadwen drive license no kra no criteria ben ye gina so e de man nipa no the mere fact say utumi tennis here left right e kono nim na de ade no is it enough I think say brass say you go into the amount for so adwen mu kakra say this is the only country to be a say you mistaking stupidity for smartness otherwise me who dey tia bia bedu ba bia traffic na bia ye nyina ye dimu saa na ono yifa shoulder of the road no be cross so fast be see anima office or smart so dem not dey church ono is smart it mean yifa shoulder home. I mean that is be stupidity rather. So ya dwe no oni kwan so law enforcement ana police force ye do ba ko gina kwan so no almost so eyo madwuma no the way say ye na ye gina ya ditum ye hu every day say more or less now that fear of the presence of the MTD before road no grand anyhow because driver na him say that say need license and as any car na road worthy and so police ni obey enforce law no him say o be duru home no and 1 cedi or 2 cedis no so tua ento bia see roads no who say police we do na gina home a o him say oba ba gigi ni sika no dia ko ena ya fredo no abe more or less normal and nobody seems to see anything wrong with that view. So it is a place for no so MTD yi de ma yo madwuma ayen year. And that fear ebe ko drivers no mu. Ema omo so a make sure say omo ye de ese efata. MTD no DVLA for so be ye omadwuma no ma yen year making sure say ipe bia okura license no ose ofata so okita sa license. Car nankasa no so a road no so no. Car no se efata say be road no so ba way of saying the road worthiness e no so bibia ye okay ah eno so be adwuma. But if you live in a country as obia fi say also finding means be no the and that's all dey bia share this trotro you gugu is a lot of them which means that this trotro can get good for human use and so you so called politics in Tino or come for anyone. Some time back be a case also be about a seat belt. And no be issue. If he said no seat belt for the wear. Trouble have for and also for the fear of losing votes, you know, the politician enya that akukudu no emfa for so. Share yakwen baby a no 3-4 lanes cry now say in flow no ubedo not trotro o ma je about 2 or 3 abosu no mo load mfifi home wan na ekoka okaka usro say ye be den o mba to atiawo ne all kinds of things but I was say cost so na there be considering greater nipa ewu okwan so no ye fi say e braso and I feel say braso say as on my ye nyina the same year ye ni asi galamsey for so the same year ni see COVID in particular so COVID will finish so called ni hu nyina for 2 years nya dade nipa bia ba ku bia life bia matter yes and for 2 years or so year obehunu na o memu nyina nipa say na wakum about 700 or thereabout. That's yet your mom say a day bia no say nipa about 100 to me within just this first quarter year say nipa accidents no I mean runs in the hundreds. Now you found as normal. Now there's something wrong with us. Or see a head new maybe near when ye.
DVLA. I say because you're the knee and a driving team. You may eye test.
Yeah.
But at the same time, no, who drive here was so play a very key role. Say, what who be your cars here, and I bama a bone who and I say be. Into yen to me, Fak Bisu, and no more a beer num ho na near Sibia or Tano on TV.
Yeah.
If you also not so you're all right.
You better so adrena kasan cranso matters.
Obiso why nyom so a obo the can no kra nya asem ketwa.
I
don't know chese wadreno obi kan nya sabio ya hanu ya fani se bodamfo nkoane obi a wayi ne hu a wasi abonti oni na mayi. And then you start abrabo you call husband Germany. Ekoya adwuma mental hospital kakra. Kotu obi pa ono other mental hospital na group me no wudi nkomo kakra e da me German kakra me tennis ata me refi ni na kra oni di nkomo na bisa na utumi sɛ wo tia yamfo no hanka wokɔ wo fum kura nka ama yɛ wotia so abɔdam na woti mental hospital ka wokɔ wo fum wakɔ yɛ nkofie yɛ ɔba yerɛ ne ade nyina wotia sɛ so enti adwene mu ɛyina sɛ no so yɛmfa ne serious baabi a me ne me nua bɛn ɛne wo cardinal ɛnya dwen kakra ɛyɛ saa towing cars issues ne yes oko in the advanced societies now said the na mumyeni na mo position etiam yes towing services no homo na se the nisi na immediately system no has been built such or no abefre immediately e ma ya ba betwe akọ na me bisa me ho se ana ye duru ho ana unfortunately no empe bebe nipa na ne car ase si ho na wagya hokọ no accident besi no no wagya hokọ enti on preview wo
say obeja wakọ because onim say oja hokọ bakra asotwe bia ni homa no
yes yam po ye betwe na sokra na meka no wagya hokọ so wagya hokọ enti wo na mo ba bia wo ye you know na ade kwa akobom akokun krofo menti bi da say any of this articulated trucks ne all kinds of cars ye jijasi komu a amount for run into it no the driver no was a car no so was ever affected because no jahoko it is a punishment be a crab back afterwards cry na o mo kun wo no ankasa physically they were affected
so what's your suggestion
it's like yes my suggestion is at this stage no to say the seat belt across here or trot room no people first say they cannot do it no any punishment so no kwa be call for the towing service not the cost no e bia ontimi ntua nti no o se ye na me nkopet mechanics bi emra kwa no so ho no o sa be ye car no the effect of oil e be so gu kwa no so nya de ade ne effect on the road ni nyina so e another issue it said ye health insurance schemes or like any other insurance schemes no ubetimi aye health insurance policy 2 3 4 5 10 years na wo nyare da do you say our contribution no because I won't nyare that into no a waste
ever obi
obi that is the concept
okay
it is say na come so my dream me say because as any nipa or no what's the word as am fan no ho na say whatever negligence or whatever ntino ojanika ni si ho ma who innocent person ɔte ne trotro bi mu ɔte ne passenger car bi mu na ɛbɛkɔ akɔbɔ mu ɔno awu me kekre bi ɔno car tire kro mi sɛ bi boda eso owuo no ba anasa akɔhia ne ba ɔno na ɔkɔ akɔsɔfa ne nti no si afani means bi as a people collectively near the raising means yɛbɛnya a lot of these towing vehicles na car no say see kwemu na immediately with all that the consent of the car owner no car ni say see home within the next couple of minutes that towing service for no emetam fanko wherever appropriate place just omde ko na hono e kokoduru ho wi a afi una car ni ya odia no ukọ ho a wakwa kotua de o se utua bia me fi say eno beboa na going forward no to say the health insurance your national one ansana o ma wo mbibi din so private schemes bi nya de ehye mu no hwe bola nsem ye we si ye wo zoom line no mla kesefo no ho ubedu area bi so na nkora bi so hye mu a because the zoom line for services so know those areas need to know ubo so almost na peke you know those areas no sa na bedu ba bi no here start at the national level na fe private sector for no bi e be shem finfin yo ba bi na ene because wo twu V8 bi ana se wo twi wo car kese bi ntino force ko ba ho a wo ntwen se national towing service for no na ba betwa ko wa obetumi afre immediately private ones yi bi e won nearby whether say no expensive or whatever no ma betwe dia ko ba bi a wo pe say e de come on then let those people who can afford no and use that services but at this stage there masa na me MP e wo rural area so o hwa e bia fa sa padanchira west ho cars egugu akwan no so hobi na wo do ani to so say saa car we say ni wura na driver no Fort bi ba ono nko at that time no sika o de be frɛ towing service ma be fa ne car na kwa wa hwa say sika nko bia no ni bi ho at that time ti do be ya ne say wa to na dwem no ojaka na si saa dangerous curve no so na o ma mi bi a wakodwa a o ti car bi mo ba no ayro home o mo dia be bom ono akwa ko free it I still maintain say and I say support the idea say can you nya that national one now there can say see home one immediately on do me frequent no mu egosi baby e chire ne yes charge car owner ne ne be kan wasem na be kan wasem na nkoba ne saa here is a person ne car tire rekura no on ko replace no on person be replace ne car brakes na re oh me call one trip more aba ansa na be kwa akoya makwa akoye wo hu se ne windscreen na pipe so the next week meye o china mbesimi dan attitude we ne ka se ye die ni ebeto no so se ne car ni break it down immediately no be frɛ towing service bi ema ababetwe dia kwa anhwa ne anya ne saa
na
wanya saa no so no innocent people bi
odai
ena eba bewu it may suggest say yenya saa national one middle see no ento nko na chire ono obehwe ne kaa na so obeje ne kaa na search ali bi a ho se de man no na ye dia man
okay prof
Yes, sir.
asemi de
Wotie Oha Extreme Punk no. Neat FM.